Everyone, Rico from ClickTrust here. So in today's video, I wanted to show you a simple make.com automation that we use to maintain our customer audience up to date. It's nothing fancy, it's not AI agent, it's just a simple 2-module automation in make.com that anybody can use, and it's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of manual work. So here what we have is a watch abandoned cart Shopify connector. All you have to do if you're in make.com is clicking here and then looking for your watch abandoned cart checkout, and then here you want to select your open status and you're going to select your limit to the maximum number of results to be worked with. And I selected for this example, I have selected 15. Once you have this in place, all you have to do is creating a Facebook custom audience, add users to custom audience module. And this is great because you can do it on a weekly basis or you can do it on a daily basis, and it's just gonna keep your custom audience up to date without no manual work whatsoever. So once you're here, you select your business account, you select your ad account. I've just taken one of our clients, Organics, and you select here, you select the email directly from Shopify, the phone number, you want to make sure you select the shipping shipping address, the phone number, and then you're gonna take, I still have the previous ones, so we can skip this one. First name, first name, last name, and then we take this information. I'm not gonna fill it in from now, but I just wanted to show you that once this is for national field, you obviously want to do it properly with all the information coming from this module, but just going to show you for the sake of it. Now that we have all the information here, I just click on run once, and then it's gonna run, and it's gonna look for the abandoned carts, and it's gonna push them forward the custom audience. It's just gonna take a couple of minutes. And it's done. So now, as you can see, you have all the information that have been pushed toward our new audience, and now we have an up-to-date audience done with a simple click, or without even a click if this is run automatically. This is for the abandoned cart audience. Otherwise, alternatively, you can also do it to update your purchase audience directly from Shopify. And instead of using the abandoned cart module, you're just going to use the watch customer module and apply the same concept. If you're interested in more automation, please check our generative AI for PPC training on ClickTrust.be. Thank you.